Okay, want to go over a couple things in how to do this first basic Photoshop project. I'm sorry, Adobe Premiere. Photoshop's big brother, different brother, I don't know, distant cousin, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to go over some file management, how to pull down some copyright-free music, a quick demo on a simple title screen, placing video, placing photos, putting transitions in, and then putting some music underneath, and recording voiceover audio. So you got to do something important from start, and that is file management. If you don't do file management before you start your movie, you're doing yourself a disservice. So plan, get your files in there. Doesn't mean you can't add stuff later, but you want to let Premiere know right away where it's going to find materials. Otherwise, it's trying to bake a really elaborate cake with no idea where your ingredients are, and you're gonna run into problems. So get them here, keep them there, add anything new in here, so it's very easy to pull up. So, all right, so this is my first movie demo. I've created folders for pictures, video, and music. Okay, I got a little clutter here because I zipped some files, but they are all in there. So that whatever I need is going to be here. Actually, they're not all in there. You'll see that my music file is empty. Okay, so I'm about to fill it. So I am just going to go to this my channel here, YouTube. This is where I put my tutorial videos, and I'm going to go down to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. Go to Audio Library, and I can search for stuff. I can use a theme, play, and then I can test it, see if I like it. Yeah, I don't know what I want. Something a little more, what the heck, let's try some reggae. Yeah, I like that one, so I'm gonna go ahead and download it, okay? I'm gonna download it. This is in a different place. I'm going to download it right into that instruction folder, my demos, first movie demo, into my music folder, okay, right there where I need it. All right, so now we get back to, we Command Tab back to Premiere, and we are ready to create a new project, okay? This is when you do that, when you have everything all ready to roll. Again, for whatever reason, likes to mix up monitors. So I have navigated to that same folder. This is on my hard drive, so I'll go back through the navigation so you see how I got here. If you started the hard drive, you go to Users, find me, okay? And I have been using my Downloads folder today for this. Instructions, demos, first movie demo, okay? And there are my three folders: music, pictures, video. I'm going to go in now. Okay, I'm going to select that guy. All right. See the check mark? It's selected. It's ready to import. I'm going to select all my pictures that I might use of my favorite and only granddaughter. Okay, and I'm going to grab a couple video clips that I have in here too. Eventually. Okay. Now I'm ready to start, but it is best to do this first, name it, and tell it where it needs to be. I have put this so that it saves in the same folder, so all my stuff is located together, and then I'm going to create. Okay. So you'll see I have all my stuff, but it pulled it into a format that's messed up because I was messing around in here earlier and I left it in a weird way. But always remember, go to workspaces. I'm going to check editing. Okay, that's the one I like. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to workspaces. Sorry, going to be better than this. Workspaces, reset to save layout, and it's going to give me my normal workspace setup with all my tools right there.